Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am bringing you a classic Puerto Rican dish. We are making absolutely delicious. This goes with anything. You can have it with a salad, you can have it with rice, you can have it with totones, whichever one you want. This pairs up beautifully with. Now, I do have wonderful recipe side dishes on my YouTube channel, so please take a look at that as you make this, because it's easy, it's delicious, it's fried up, crisp, and it has wonderful flavors in it. You can't go wrong by making this. So it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it, so stick around. I have 5.5 pounds right here. I have 2 packets of sazon. I have here 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. I have 2 teaspoons of dry oregano, 2 teaspoons of dry garlic. I have salt to taste, pepper to taste, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. I have 1 lime, and that's all you're gonna need for the seasoning part. Now let's begin. Alright guys, so after you finish cleaning off your pork meat right here, make sure your hands are clean, and we're going to get right down to it. Really easy. I'm just going to put all the ingredients right on top of the meat in no particular order. This is going to provide so much flavor you would not believe. Now I'm using salt instead of adobo. You can use adobo if you want, but that's, you know, that just depends on you. And if you don't have any of these seasons, you can use whatever you want. I mean, you're the boss of your kitchen, you know, so use what you have. This is my sazon. That's it. Just put everything in here. Quick, simple, and easy. I'm using lime. If you want, you can use lemon. I just feel that I don't want this to taste too lemony, and the lime doesn't give you like a citrus lime flavor, but it definitely works wonders in this dish, and I absolutely love it. If you can grab this, definitely use it. If not, you can just leave it alone, or if you can actually get your hands on some sour oranges, that would be marvelous. So with a fork, I'm just going to press in and just squeeze. It helps it come out way. And after you put all your seasoning there, you get right in with your clean hands, and you just mix and massage your meat from the bottom all the way to the top. It's a little bit of a messy job, but it gets the job done. Okay guys, now let's begin. Right here, I'm using my cast iron skillet. I have some vegetable oil coming to temperature, and my stove is at a medium high. You want to wait until your oil becomes hot enough so that way we can start frying in our pork chunks. Now I had allowed my pork chunks to sit in the refrigerator for an hour or 2 to marinate, but you can certainly leave it for overnight. So now let's begin frying these bad boys, because it is simple, it's easy, and I cannot wait to have some. Don't overcrowd your pan. Okay guys, let's see these bad boys right now. Look how nice and golden brown they are. That's exactly what you want. It's about, I would say, between 7 and 8 minutes. About 8 minutes one side, 7 minutes on the other. You just want to see that it's nice and golden brown. Right, pork chunks. are done. They're delicious looking. They're nice and golden brown. I'm about to give a taste test right now. I'm in pork heaven. Make this, and coming up really soon, I'm gonna pair this off with mofongo. Out of this world delicious. Stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye bye.